Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing of this Slam Glam Box and I'm telling you it is awesome. It might read backwards, but it's Slam Glam. I love it, and I'm telling you, all these products are really, really, really great. I got in here a whole eyeshadow, smoky eyeshadow kit. It's by Bella Pierre. See? And I got these beautiful brushes. Really, and I love this angle one. This would be like the right underneath there. Really, really awesome. And I got all these great, this is a makeup base. And this is what it looks like. It's really creamy. Really, really cool. Can't really see it because like it blends into your skin. Where did I put it? I put it right here. Right there. But this is great because it keeps your makeup on longer if you use this, which I love, your eyeshadows. And this one is in cocoa. It's a loose powder. I already took off to see what it looks like. I was kind of interested. Looks like this. And this is what cocoa looks like. Really, really cool. Love it. This one is Earth. Earth. I'm trying to get a swatch. I want to get a swatch for you. That's what it looks like. And that's the swatch. Really cute. And these are all loose pigments. This one's in Champagne. Ooh, this would be great for the brow bone. Love it. And I'll put this right on my wrist. See how it glitters? It's like great for the brow bone. Really, really cute. Love it. So this is a kit. It all came in my, let's see what else comes. So you get all this and you get what's in the glam bag. And then we'll go over what it is afterwards. Oh, I wonder what this is. Looks like a palette. Let's get this. This is April's edition. I'm late on showing it. I had some technical difficulties when I wanted to show it before. Oh, wow. It's a huge palette. So let's show, what is this? Fix It. This is clear liner? Fix It? I never saw clear liner. Let me see, what is this? Clear liner. I mean, literally, it's clear liner. So, I don't know what that is. I never heard of it in my life, what clear liner is. Look at, oh, that's really interesting. We're going to have to read up on that. Then I got this nice two-sided brush. This looks like it would be a foundation brush. And then this is like to chisel. Look at how cute. I love this. This looks like a little foundation brush. And a contouring. I've been using blending buds. I mean, just these tools alone cost a lot of money. Just these tools. Okay, I'll put that in after. Now, what is this? Steve Laurent? This is like a lip gloss. What's the color in this? I can't see it. It's so tiny. Okay, let me get my glasses on. I can't see it. I'm blind. Ah. So let's see. It is in Bach? I don't know. But it's a really, really cute lip gloss. And I'll swatch it for you. Ooh, it's very nude. It's like a matte. It's not shiny. Really, really cute. I like that. A lot. Actually. And this palette looks amazing. This is, what is, oh, a contour. A contour palette. Okay, I see where it's going. I see where it's going. Because this is the contour. I see. Ooh, I never had a contour palette like this. And look at, my oh my. Look at how adorable this is. Has all these awesome shades. Oh, okay. So this is the primer. I guess to put on your face first. These are all the different colors you can use for contouring. And that's the finish. Let's see. The middle one's shiny. Ooh, look at, like, highlight with this one. It's really light. I love that. And this one is the lightest one. This one's up above that one. So that one, where is it? The lightest one I showed you. That one was up above. Which one is, oh, this one's up above this one. This is the dark one, if you really like dark. And this one is this one. For the lighter one. You can probably use that. Oh, shoot. Now I'm like ruining them. Okay, I'm already playing around with it. And that's it. That's what came in my Slam Glam. And just, like, this is a huge contour palette. I mean, just these items alone cost a lot of money. So let's read it. I have my hands full of crap. Okay, get the, just the eye kit with the loose powders costs $50. Just that alone. Clear eyeliner. Use eyeliner with the powers of the Get the Look kit or any pigment powder to achieve any color eyeliner. $10 for that. $10 for this. Contour palette, $52 for this thing. And I'm making disregard. I have my hands full of cook. The contour brush, $24. Okay. Lipstick. Oh, it's a liquid lipstick. Okay, I thought it was like it's a liquid lipstick. That's $22. So, I mean, you can't go wrong, people. You can't go wrong. I love it. So, that's it for my April Slam Glam box. It comes in this cute little pursy type thing. So, we'll see what happens next month on what I get. I already made a mess on these things. Uh-oh, birdies. My kitty's looking at the birdies. So, that is it, my friends. And thank you. And follow me on Twitter at Carrera Beth. And the same thing for Instagram at Carrera Beth. And and Facebook, just post in Beth Carrera, and then you'll probably notice me on there, and you can follow me on Facebook because I don't know the link to it, but just do that. And that's it. If you have any questions, just ask me, and put it in the comment below. What is your favorite makeup What's your favorite makeup? And comment below what other kind of tutorials you want me to do. Would be kind of nice. So, oh, look at, I love that. That's the liquid lip. And I'm making a mess out of it. I have all this, look at, going on. So that's it. That's my unboxing. Apparently, I have to kind of look more into this clear thing. It's something about achieve the look you want with this. So clear eyeliner achieves with the pigment or does something with it. I don't know. So we'll have to see whatever it looks like. We'll have to see. So thank you all for watching, supporting me, and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button with the bell so you see my future uploads. And that's it. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.